things are really happening in the garden, here are some tips for success. Whether you're planting warm season veggies and flowers or adding new trees and shrubs to your garden, don't forget to prepare the soil first with an organic rich soil improver like Yates Dynamic Lifter to help give plants the best start. Organic matter does wonders for soil health and structure and encourages earthworms and beneficial soil microorganisms too. There are lots of veggies that you can grow from seed, from delicious tasty tomatoes to the sweetest sweet corn. You can either grow your own seedlings for later transplanting, or you can also sow a lot of seeds direct into the veggie patch. Snails and slugs love devouring new veggie and flower seedlings, so don't forget to protect them with a light sprinkling of a snail and slug pellet. For more gardening advice, chat to our experts. Happy gardening!